YouTube. It's your boy Tone, coming back at y'all, man, one more again. I'm out here in the garage, and you know, I just thought, man, you know, it'll be easier to do these lines while this transmission is outside of the vehicle. You know, putting these AN6 transmission adapters so that these AN6 lines can be used to plumb the transmission fluid, plumb the transmission cooler lines. So first thing I gotta do, these are the factory style connectors. They come with just the push in hose. You put the little clip, there's a little clip on it right there. You see the little clip on the end? Where you just push the line in and it's in there. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna screw these out and we're gonna put these in there so that we can put our AN6 lines on. We also gonna put us some Teflon tape around here so make sure it don't leak. So we'll be back in a minute, YouTube. Later. Alright, YouTube, y'all see that? I took these out and I put these in. Before I put them in, I put some Teflon tape on the threads. It goes into the transmission. And then I also wrap the opposite end with Teflon tape. That way when I screw these on there, boom. That way when I screw these on there, you already got Teflon tape to prevent it from leaking transmission fluid. Alright? So we'll be back with y'all in a minute, YouTube. I think I'm just gonna leave these hoses off and just leave those fittings on there and make it easy to put the lines on. So, alright, we'll be back in a minute, YouTube. Later.